Let me show you how you guys can fix your TikTok not opening problem. The first thing I want you guys to check is if your internet is fast or not. If it is slow, that could be the number one reason for it not opening up. The next thing you can do is go inside your phone setting. Inside here, you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says General. Inside here, you can see iPhone storage option. Click on it. Over here, you want to wait for some time and scroll all the way down until you see TikTok. Then you want to click on Offload app and click on Offload app, and a TikTok app will be offloaded. Once it's done offloading, you want to click on Reinstall app and now try to open TikTok. It should open up. If it still doesn't open up, just delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again, and it should probably be fixed. So these are the way on how you guys can fix a TikTok not opening problem. And if it still doesn't open up, the last option is just use a VPN and try to open TikTok, or try to open TikTok the next day, because sometimes due to a server maintenance issue, it is blocked for 2 to 3 hours. So it could be that as well. Hope you understand the video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.